Promises in JavaScript. What is a promise? A promise is an object representing the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. Promises provide a cleaner, more robust way to handle asynchronous operations compared to traditional callback-based approaches. Promise states. A promise can be in one of three states. Pending, the initial state neither fulfilled nor rejected. Fulfilled, the operation was completed successfully. Rejected, the operation failed. Creating a promise. A promise is created using the promise constructor, which takes a function, executor, with two arguments, resolve and reject, using promises. Promises can be consumed using the .then, catch, and finally, methods. Then handles the successful resolution of a promise. .catch handles any errors or rejections. Finally, executes code regardless of the promise's outcome. Example code. Chaining promises. You can chain multiple .then methods to handle a sequence of asynchronous operations. Example code. Async, await. Async and await provide a way to work with promises more comfortably and can make asynchronous code look synchronous. Example code. Explanation. Creating a promise. We create a promise that simulates an asynchronous operation, like fetching data. Using promises, we handle the promise's resolution and rejection using then, catch, and finally, chaining promises. We chain promises to perform sequential asynchronous operations. Async, await. We use async and await to write more readable asynchronous code, handling errors with try-catch.